Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about Isalnum. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Isalnum is a part of modified strings in Python. The Isalnum method returns true if all the characters are alphanumeric, meaning alphabet letter and numbers. Example of characters that are not alphanumeric is space, dot, comma, etc. Now, for syntax, I will show you in my screen. So, let us see my screen. String dot Isalnum. You know that there is no parameter value in Isalnum. For example, I will give you two examples for Isalnum. First example, txt equals plus 99 without space, x equals txt dot Isalnum print x. Now, second example. Txt equals plus 99 with space, x equals txt dot Isalnum on brackets. Next step is print x. You can see the result. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.